In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front windshield wipers on your Chevy Colorado. It's located on the windshield. So before beginning, make sure you have the right length wiper for the right side. So for the passenger side on this vehicle, the shorter one is on this side and the longer one is on the driver's side. To remove the old wiper, you're going to pick up the arm and you're going to flip it up, and there's a little tab here. You're going to push it in and slide the wiper down to remove it. To install, you're going to slide this hook into there. Make sure it clicks into place. You'll hear it. Once it's there, you're going to remove this cover. That just protects the blade from shipping, and lower it down. Make sure you check it one more time that it's really locked in. And now we're going to move on to the driver's side. I'm going to pick up the arm. I'm going to push this button in, slide the wiper down, pull it out. To install, I'm going to slide the wiper up. Make sure it clicks in. Remove this cover, just like you did on the other side. Gently put the arm back down. And give it one last check. Make sure it's locked in. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.